Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a some kitchen water basin is designed here, and this is a material is a marble tile, and this body is a looking perfect, and this 3D body and this small and a looking perfect. This project is a looking perfect, and this a small project is looking nice here, and use a material is a marble tile. Okay, all process is learn here one by one, and all a step to step process is learn here. Okay guys, let's start here. A design create a kitchen water basin is material is use a marble tile. Okay, and this body is a single body is a this, and this is a looking perfect, and all is a material is a nice here. Marble tile material is look here, and all is a looking perfect. Okay guys, let's start here. Okay, and at first mechanical design and part is draw here, and select plane is a XY plane. Okay, and draw a center rectangle. Okay, this is a center rectangle, and dimension is mentioned here, and this is a this and this length is a 230, and width is a 160. Okay, all is perfect, and exit use a pad is a this is a 88 is a correct, and select this. Okay, all is a looking perfect. At first draw a this 3D body is a use a raw material, and okay, and at first select all plane is height, because all project and all body is looking perfect. Okay, select this face and a sketch. Okay, fit all in, and okay, this is a perfect, and draw a corner rectangle, and this is a this. Okay, and again select again corner rectangle is a draw here, this is a this. Okay, and at first some relation is this relation, and this both line is click here, and control press control button, and this relation is a coincident. Okay, and again this line and this line is click, and press control button is click, and this is a coincident. Okay, both is correct, and mention any dimension. Okay, and some use a corner is a both is a separate corner is draw here, and this is a 18 is a 16 is a correct. Okay, and again this corner is used here, and this is a 4 is correct. All is perfect, and then use a some relation, some dimension is used here, and this is a perfect. Okay, and select this line, and this line is this, and again this line and this line is a this. Okay, both the distance between both is correct, and select this line, and this is a okay. All is perfect. All is green color means fully defined. Okay, all is correct, and this is a 15 is correct, and also this 15 is correct, and 125 is correct, and this is a 125 is also correct. All is perfect, but this 130 is correct, and also this is a 130 is better. Okay, looking perfect. Okay, and select this is a 15 is also correct, and this is a 45 is correct, but the 38 is better. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, and exit, and use a pocket command is used here, and this is a use 78 is a correct, all is a perfect. And at first select this face and a sketch and draw a corner, and corner is drawing here, and this is a corner is a draw here. This is a looking perfect, but some is this is a perfect, some is looking perfect, all is correct here. Okay, and exit, and pocket command is used, and this is a 8 is correct, all is 8 is correct, but 7 is better. And some fillet command is used here, and this is this. Okay, this is a 6 is better, and also this is a 3 is better. Okay, and this is a this is a 18 is correct, but 15 is correct, and again this is select here, and this is a 3 is correct. Okay, all is perfect, and select this face and sketch, draw a circle. Circle is a select a middle line is a this, and okay, this is a draw a circle is a middle line. Okay, this is circle is a draw here, and again select a this is a this point is a draw here. This is a looking perfect, and exit. Okay. Okay, and the pocket command is used here, and up to last, and draw a preview is showing here. This is a perfect, and some cell command is used here. This and all face is a click, and okay, this is a okay, this is a looking perfect, all is a perfect. Select this and sketch and draw any circle is draw here, and this is a create a design, but and select this translate command, and this is a 6 is better. Okay, and click this middle point, and okay, this is a looking perfect, and also 8 is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and exit, and pocket command is used here, and this is direction is downward, and this is a dimension, this is a 4 is correct. Okay, but this is a okay, but this is a 1 is 1 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a looking perfect. This is a point 2 is okay, this is a perfect, point 2 means point 4 is correct, all is looking so nice here, all is perfect, but this is a okay, point 8 is also better. 1 is also, this is a not good, but point 8 is a correct. Point 8 is a correct. Okay. All is looking perfect, and fit. Okay, this is a perfect looking, and this some material is used here, and this is a use a shading with material. Okay. And this a stone is a marble tile. Okay, this is a looking material is a perfect, and marble tile is used here, and this is body is a looking perfect. Okay, and back side is a design here, and this is a okay. Okay, all is looking perfect, and isometric view is drawing here. Okay, and some use a multi section is, this is a back side. Okay. Okay, this is a looking perfect. Okay, this body is a looking so nice here, and this okay, look, all is a perfect. Okay guys, this material is a marble tile is design here, and this body is all process is one step to step learn here. And guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.